Bonjour class, bonsoir, depending on when you're watching this video. This is to clarify some of the points we went over in class today. We talked about the verb venir and the construction venir de. So first we'll go over the present tense of the forms, and you'll see them here. So, je viens du café. I come from the cafe. Of course, venir means to come. Tu viens de la plage. You're coming from the beach. Alice vient de Lyon. Alice comes from Lyon. Nous venons du restaurant. We are coming from the restaurant. Vous venez de l'hôtel. You are coming from the hotel. Mes amis viennent du stade. My friends are coming from the stadium. Verbs that are similar in construction as far as their tense, or as far as their conjugation goes, are devenir and revenir. So you have je deviens, tu deviens, il devient, nous devenons, vous devenez, et mes amis deviennent. Okay, and that's to become. So, je deviens prof means I become a teacher. We also have revenir, which is to come back, and same conjugations as venir, which we went over in class. We also have the construction venir de, which is the passé récent. It means that it just happened. So, je viens de rencontrer Marc is to I just met Marc. Ton frère vient de téléphoner is your brother just called. Mes copains viennent d'arriver. My friends have just arrived. And here are two illustrated points using the two constructions we just went over. Mes amis viennent du stade. So that would be my friends are coming from the stadium. And mes amis viennent d'arriver. My friends just arrived. So you'll notice slightly different. So venir de followed by a noun, stade, would make it the present tense to come from. And then when venir de is followed by the infinitive verb, it's to have just done that action. So, mes amis viennent d'arriver. My friends just arrived. Mes amis viennent du stade. My friends are coming from the stadium. We also discussed le présent avec depuis. So, depuis is talking about things people have been doing and how long they've been doing this. And it's a little bit different because in English we actually use a past tense construction. Like I've lived somewhere, like past tense for a number of years or a period of time. And in French they use the present tense to describe the same sentiment. So we have some examples. Nous habitons à Genève. We live in Geneva. Nous habitons à Genève depuis mai. So we have been living in Geneva since May. J'étudie le français depuis 2 ans. I've been studying French for 2 years. Okay, so since and for, using the present tense. And they give you a couple more examples. Je travaille ici depuis 5 jours. Je travaille ici depuis lundi. So I have been working here for 5 days. I've been working here since Monday. A couple of questions that correspond to depuis. We have depuis quand, since when, and depuis combien de temps, for how long. So depuis quand es-tu ici would be, since when have you been here? Depuis combien de temps attends-tu? How long have you been waiting? Would be the translation. So that's it. Good luck with the homework tonight. Au revoir.